Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Solo.
Magari, me de beche me nua bana hene. Me sure say ye papa kandapa issue no. Nsema okoka o parliament wan nya ho entie. Anas wentie enunti na sebio. Hwe asem no. Ye papa no koka en nsema oka en de emfa wanka ba akupo de papa no kan ye ba akupo. E kire say emi say wan nya daje entie. Ye no sa na ye de che no. Nemum eba ne sa na chese ye mislead the public. Won sem futuro to egu mu bebre ni unrelated issues. Odi abubaba mu nyina. Eya na ye me ya bebre. De bia me ka se ye on mind. Ye on mind. The ideologies na political ideologies na different crap wa. Everything that we say should be geared towards say would ye on mind ye. That is all that I expect from politicians. Ayatim. Me no ye youth. Empenifo edi enu ebetu me bi na bia na they will no more be there. Be ko do me ne wo so. Na se ye boa na se yetimi ye oman ni ye ebedu me ne wo so na oman no e wo gina pa bi yesu ye di be boa asom oman no na se ye ne se ye atra na we so and so equalization na eniema ehu hia ni nsem yes ni ehun say yes me na me cry loud mouth me na mitimi kaza e ba ni sa masa ebedu ye so ebedu be bi e ka se ye na se bi ne oman ni hye yensa ye se ye hwe so no na se bi the omo medical aye no because of say indifferences in say na nyina na amasa bibia ye basa e de ne ye ka asema majority to university kanda pa akoka bibi wo parliament efa anything DCOP ado former security
DCOP Opariado yes Opariado retired
e de no koka ye nsema koka ye ka I think it's with less than 6 minutes asa out kan ya ntimi chetutu yo chani said this Ethiopia Opariado no the contract asebi na aban ne wo no contract ni ewuye na ewuye no the entitlements nyina aban twa ma no na e wo se ofi oh then e be the replacement e be den e be ba no there are so many means bia ombetimi afa so ene na kan because there was a question put to him say na is that the only means? Quite almost say Rambo style, whatever it is that they refer to, say style Rambo fast no. Is that the only means? No. There were several means on use. Even there was one Kromu you see, but this COP didn't listen. That's talking to him to tell his master why begging him. So he didn't listen to them. And then also maybe you could have, sometimes you could also use this means appealing to friends. You appeal to their wives. Those they didn't use all right. But first one is talking to the mind himself now. But what happened on that fateful day? You see, and say personnel echo ni office ho. No mu go do ho no. Omo introduce wo ho. E de kire opening DCOP Opariado. Na omo introduce wo ho no. Na act of hostility. I say oniomo
according to
Kandapa, to the extent pose the side arm pistol one no okoko draw ye and asebi personnel na call ho no omumi omani no
na personnel no omo na hongo so omo kan boko de kire no and omo so style ben no omo de call Rambo style no omo de call ya
see osin say ye ka sema honorable Kandapa ekoka o parliament is that not it?
Yes,
fine. It is say ye can near the big one just we are not truly representing him.
Yeah, but we are asking questions because we have to deal with the matter.
Well, this is what he said, and what he said is what I'm telling you,
okay.
And that is what you requested for. Osin, Osin, yes. Now, after act of hostility now show no to the extent say or draw ne side any pistol no, and the man microphone here there, try say on be restricted no mo je e finish him. And no say till now no complaint Bianco police station say bebre yati say na omo ye complaint Bianco police station not that have they omo national security omanya report na say bia police are inform say bia no nothing it is say this COP Opariado full say bibi koso asebi enyam ne kwan so anya ni da akwanya wo ho a wo so timi ko no call report now they are prepared to say emwe bia yes omo de ma say asem ko ne be rem ni ahwe ni ade get it to its determination no ombe boa so this we have una oti baby na usu na manfo usu because ade dey be talk obi abeka ne say ne open nse si ano papa ne sen wo de office bibi ko so anye yi a sebi we can ask them say ensembi say enti na sebi o police station wo de make the formal complaint they will come na mwe bi also mwe bi o mo de be bo ani etimi find the finality of the problem etimi define enti when dem say problem bi ani o wo de usu say bibi say ato wo de ko o se ko na ko complaint na yembra na mwe bi e wo say be bo a sebi de na so ntia na de office ye wa anye yi embra kwan wo ne emfa so na mmom no memma public no entake ni sen senya ye kana we so na basre we so no ti we so no bia e kana sen opede bi en kran wo be gina o mamu ni nyina ni me parliament all kan it is a papa no for bibi wo ho a see there is that willingness investigate any action be papa they are willing say or they be action be or be bia say e be a course and say they are willing to support ehwe bia emra no obi amfa no enti me sre say there is nothing like saying Rambo star. I didn't hear report any report to you. Na sebi send me nweti ya o kase. Na say me kan bibi say. Wakasa bebre ni kasa o kan ni nyina afare ya ye kan hu. Sebi subject na kasa da wa o de tu dwa ye kan. Ni eso wakasa bebre people obi a tune stations say ya o ti ana obi o ti beti akoyi kasa nothing. Asema da wa ye kan. I'm not the host. I want to tell you say asema da wa ye kan but I wa fa kwem. Money kwanta complete and this is what happens in some see wo mind.
Okay.
Obi asom say ni open no kan. The truth na kasa ne papa na begina 2 days ago begina parliament akasa. Nti de da ho nie. COP opare ado ofo say bibi wo ho e course a enye ne kwan enam ne kwan so ana amfa kwan mu a emra kwan wo ho omfa so na omo nyina ombeboa ama sebi yape asem no.
All right, 3:30.
Utie Oha Exi Punk no. Needs FM.